Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Gemini English channel. We are so happy to see you. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. Today, we are learning something you must know for real life.
That's right. Today, we are going shopping. We are learning the simple phrases to ask about money and prices.
Knowing how to ask, how much does it cost, is essential when you are traveling or living in an English-speaking country.
So grab your shopping cart and let's start practicing. And Liam, before we start, what should everyone do?
Yes. Please click the subscribe button below and give this video a like. It helps our channel grow. 1. The essential question. How much?
Liam, let's start with the most important phrase. How do I ask about the price of one thing, like this cup?
The phrase is very simple. We say, how much is it? Repeat, everyone. How much is it?
Or if I want to name the item, I say, how much is the item? For example, how much is the shirt?
Excellent, Emma. Now, let's learn the answer. The cashier will likely answer by saying, it is price. Listen to this short dialogue.
Hello, excuse me, how much is the blue pen?
It is $2. Remember, we use is because we are talking about one item, the pen. 2. Asking about plural items, 2 or more.
Now, what if we want to buy 2 or 3 things? Like these apples. We cannot use is.
I know this one. If it is plural, more than one, we must use are.
Exactly. The question becomes, how much are they?
Or, if you name the items, how much are the items? For example, how much are the apples?
And the answer will be, they are price. Excuse me, I want to buy these 2 books. How much are they?
They are $30.
Perfect. Thank you.
One thing is. Many things are. Paying and finishing the conversation.
Okay, you have asked the price and you want to buy the item. Now you need to pay.
The easiest phrase to use at the end is, I will take it. This means you agree to buy the item.
The cashier will then ask, cash or card?
And you can answer, card, please, or cash, please. Role play. Full transaction.
Emma, shopper, how much is this coffee mug?
It is $15.
Okay, I will take it.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Summary and question of the day.
That was a quick lesson, Liam. The 3 most important parts for shopping are question, singular, how much is the item? Question, plural, how much are the items? To buy, I will take it.
Excellent summary. Remember to practice using your numbers when you ask the price.
Now for the Gemini English question of the day.
We want you to practice the singular question. Find one object.
In the comments below, ask us the price of that object. Write your sentence like this. How much is the object?
We will read your comments. Thank you all for joining the Gemini English channel today.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next dialogue. Bye-bye.